Good morning everyone. We are the group 2. I'm Edward Joros Panglugay and these are my members.
I am Sarah Bloy Sugitan.
I am Almaris Paragos.
I'm JRBR Jerusalem.
I'm David D. Constance.
Our study is all about Arduino-powered smart overspeed detection system. We all know speeding is the leading cause of accidents. In this busy life cycle, people always prefer to drive at high speed rather than low speed to get their destination on time. It is therefore necessary to understand the need for technology to be used as a deterrent. A system that helps to limit the speed of vehicles and their owners would be penalized for speeding. And this is the best way to get people to drive at a normal speed. Our proposed project aimed to develop a system that detects car driving over the speed limit and informs the authority immediately. Road accidents have increased recently, so there must be a system that can detect speeding vehicles. The system first calculates the time needed by a particular vehicle to travel from one location to another.
Chapter 2, Number 1. Project Overview. This project addresses the issue of road safety by developing a cost-effective overspeed detection and alarm using Arduino technology. It utilizes a GPS module or an ultrasonic sensor in this simulation to monitor speed in real time and provide alerts through LEDs, buzzers, and an optional LCD. Designed for compatibility with various vehicle types, the system promotes safer driving by giving immediate feedback when speed limits are exceeded. Functional diagrams. Block diagram. Show the system structure sensor input to Arduino output to LEDs and LCD. Schematic diagram. Illustrate wiring among components like the sensor LEDs, resistors, and display. Process flow diagram. Visualize operational logic from initialization, speed, measurement, comparison, alert display, and flow.
So here are the components used and the prices. All bills of materials. Arduino Uno, 1,628 pesos. Ultrasonic sensor, 199 pesos. 16x2 LCD display, 95 pesos. Potentiometer, 57 pesos. Red and green LED, 57 pesos each. 20 ohm resistors, 8 pesos each. Breadboard, 55 pesos. Jumper wires, 60 pesos. USB cable, 45 pesos. And the total expenses is 2,333 pesos. Conclusion. The overspeed detection system offers a simple, accessible, and expandable method to enhance driving safety. Despite minor limitations like reliance on consistent sensor data and potential alert fatigue, the project lays a solid foundation for future upgrades like GPS integration, mobile alerts, and adaptive speed limits.
This is how it works. Imagine this blue ball as a speeding car. When it is less than 60 km per hour, it is a normal speed. But when it reaches 60 km greater than that value, it triggers a warning in the LCD. Then after that, going up, then it detects overspeeding in the car, which is the blue ball you are seeing.
feature enhancement for vehicle speed monitoring system. Proposed innovation. First, GPS-based speed sensing, an accurate speed measurement using GPS modules. Second, dynamic speed limit updates, an automatic speed limit adjustment using GPS mapping or RFID tags. Third, GSM IoT communication, real-time transmission of overspeed alerts to monitoring systems. Fourth, power management optimization, power-efficient design for continuous operation. Fifth, voice-based alerts and HUD display, voice alerts and head-up display for driver warnings.
Number 6. Predictive safety with machine learning. Predictive analytics to prevent overspeeding incidents. Number 7. Automatic vehicle intervention. Automatic throttle control or braking in extreme scenarios. Number 8. System redundancy and reliability. Backup sensors and error detection logic for fault tolerance. Number 9. Mobile application integration. User-friendly app monitoring driving history and configuring speed. Number 10. Data logging and reporting. Logging mechanism for speed data and overspeeding events.